You are going to love the 2022 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, tires, front all-season, backup camera. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.